Are you cooking your vegetables right? Your cooking method can make a world of difference in the nutritional value of your meal. Here are 12 ways you might be cooking your vegetables wrong. Firstly, boiling vegetables. This method can cause a significant loss of water-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin C and B vitamins. Instead, consider roasting, baking, broiling, or microwaving to preserve these crucial nutrients. Secondly, are you using only coconut oil? Its high saturated fat content can be problematic. Try healthier oils like extra virgin olive oil for cooking your greens. Thirdly, using butter to dress your vegetables. Butter adds extra calories and fat. Substitute butter with olive oil, which provides heart-healthy fats and enhances flavor. Fourthly, sauteing with too much oil. Start with a tablespoon of oil and add more only if necessary. Your vegetables should be lightly coated, not swimming in oil. Fifthly, using too much salt. Oversalting can have a negative impact on heart health. Lightly salt your vegetables before cooking and adjust to taste afterward. Sixthly, charring your vegetables. Overcooking or burning can form harmful compounds. Use indirect heat when grilling and avoid prolonged high heat cooking. Seventhly, are you discarding the nutritious parts? Skins, leaves, and stalks often contain unique nutrients. Incorporate these parts into your cooking to maximize health benefits. Eighthly, overusing calorie-dense sauces. Instead of drowning your veggies in high-calorie sauces, choose healthier options like hummus for dips. Ninthly, not washing your vegetables properly. Especially those prone to pesticide residue, always thoroughly wash your vegetables to avoid ingesting harmful chemicals. Tenthly, not pairing your vegetables with fat. Some nutrients are better absorbed with a bit of fat. Include healthy fats like avocado or olive oil with your greens. 11thly, eating only raw vegetables. While raw vegetables are healthy, cooking can increase the bioavailability of certain nutrients. Methods like steaming, stir-frying, or microwaving can help retain these nutrients. Lastly, using incorrect cutting techniques. Ensure you cut your vegetables uniformly for even cooking and better taste. Different vegetables require different cuts depending on the cooking method. In summary, the key to cooking vegetables right is to preserve their natural flavors and nutritional content while avoiding excessive fats, salts, and high heat. Different vegetables benefit from different cooking methods, so don't be afraid to experiment and vary your techniques. By making these adjustments, you can significantly enhance the health benefits of your vegetable dishes. So the next time you're in the kitchen, remember these tips and give your veggies the treatment they deserve.